I make us about what I call the beauty of every church. Asori bia na hofe. Are you here? Many privilege. I am part of. Please, can you kill it for me? Thank you. I didn't some pa. But when we fear man can't say we. Asori we mu jimoni pa. Oh, I need to hear too much. It will send the other when you are able to say, I be a jealous of you. Say, the one who say, come on, I say, the whole papa in the page. We say, go for trouble, and I say, let me know who I say, hey, so I never know internet, and I'm going to move you. So I like your dance. I give you the best dancer of the year. Hi, what a church. But with so much Jesus. That they are foreign, they say. My opportunity to be part of different churches because I do training for churches and for pastors. Now over the years I might join my training churches. Now there are a lot of beautiful churches who are around. Where shall who are sorry be our begins are sorry no, and you're totally different from our church now but most churches are almost the same. Hello, but there are certain basic things be a man sorry be now who february so say and sorry be there. And today I want to share with you three things that forms the beauty of a church. The first thing I'm going to say a man a sorry be now who fana na ni mo nyam ye kese the number of people in the church. A sorry be na ni mo nyam ani nipa domo a ewo asori no mu. Yenko Proverbs chapter 14 verse number 28. Proverbs 14:28. Now maybe can send me actually asem no otiase e bese sa wunyame so. Proverbs 14:28. The number of people in the church, that's the first beauty of the church. Me patron your project no on boa me kakra. In the multitude of people is the king's honor, but in the want of people is the distraction of the prince. Ohinibiano na numunyam eni nipadomo a etene nase eti ahemfo ebetimi aye paramount chiefs we say me paramount yenina ye ditumi pe ba ye tumi ye pe based on nipa omotiase but ye call paramount ahemfo a omodo omukura no mu a o say ebilum didi ebilum ochi Ministries because obi ohono oye ohine but enkurofo oye hine wo mo so no emu nsada nye dubu entina hinie no emu nsada nye dukesi even though wo ahinie nhihye mu no Ministries because ohine bia ni munyam eni nipa domo a eternity. That is why sorry be Nyamampanyi amomwako akosra omo but ensori bi nyamampanyi ma university omo because saa ensoro no ewo nipadom enye omo nyamesem ka omo ka enye miracles omo ye wasoro ho enye nyamesom papa bi omo simo nemom edom omo wonti enti asori bi ani monyam eni nipadom a ewo asori no mo. Now, about the church growth, say asori benyina. When your church member, when you care for abegin say, or sofu bi na ye buano, and or sofu bi asam na eka. Let me tell you, say asori benyini and many pardon ba asori benua. The people munya som faswa your church members and your pastor. Hello, the pastor is the last person that benefit from the growth of a church. Hello. The pastor is the last person I will benefit from the growth of the church. Now, my memo sorry, as church members. For example, you are not married. Let me see your hand. You are not married yet. Okay. But you have phone, is everybody here married? If you are not married, just give me a wave. Okay. So now listen to me. Why the betting wedding was sorry? So no matter how beautiful place become, your pastor can't have wedding here because why any wedding away? Hello? One of the naming ceremony, baby dedication. I had a for Babaji France. Which people will come here and have baby dedication and not. Your pastor won't marry you. He's no more going to give birth. The way my man said, yes, I better know. As I said, we have to mama say, hello. And do you realize that there are many beautiful things about the church? At a certain point, we pastors, we don't have those benefits again. Hello? It is a sorry be a grow. Now sorry nina and what benefit the my church members who? My member one example. In a big church, if you are looking for a type of man or woman to marry, and you're possible to find one. Mama me das, mama me right word. No me person me use by mama use to. Or specs. Hello? A church of 20 members and a church of 200 members. And we then will pay a certain type of woman. And to some of you, the burden of getting even a good wife, a good husband, a certain kind of husband to marry has been taken away just because you are part of this church. So the church comes with a lot of benefit even for us as members. The kind of relationship we get by being part of a church. There are certain people in your lifestyle you never would have met them in your life. Some of us baby are free near Juma ye busua ye free money you will need pebin mo hono mo and kayen sure mo abrabo mu da. But authority wabaya o church member to make kasano woni how or you are down for some of you don't have any better friend be apart from the friend we have met in the church. But we have said, "Obin a cocaine, me some this only panaba." Sorry, some of you oba warren and neno, and your evangelist be evangelist no choir and a man saw me panaba church member, and my unya yera never saw you. I was a sembramano. And that's how funny in a major tax. Not be a foreign car because more benefit too much. And to extend that there are certain people are sorry put a show more church in a show more and you will go school a sorry a bro more to maybe a more young and no what I will do the same for so. And so say what church not and yeah but I see a big and yeah consensus here be you be increase here. Then we say church members now women we don't know what we are losing. We are losing so much. And then you share here because of program will be a akobofo nyina ba fie. O say fie high feel. But me bomb pie said the next time I make some have you know. Ni asisi canopy for abonte. Oh, me nimsa ujidinti na woka amen no. Am I talking to somebody? That is the beauty of every church. No more the situation where you go to church. Any probably 10B, 20B netia, and teachers. Any fair, any beautiful. And so to obvious I want to admonish everybody. Say, Yamma, ya sorry nini, here.